friends, welcome to my channel. If you're watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. And in this video, I'm going to explain you how to format the numbers, because numbers can be formatted in different ways to visualize the data in effective manner, because we use numbers to represent the dates and also to represent the time and also to represent these sequences, serial numbers. So like several options we will use to we'll use the numbers, right? So now here in this video I'm going to tell you so how to format the numbers according to our requirements. Okay, the same number you can represent it as a date, and the number you can represent as a percentile value, or you can represent it as a like currency. So all such things can be very easily done using Excel visualization. Now let us see. So first let us create a sequence. So here I would like to create a sequence first. So sequence, let me say 25. Let's create a sequence. Yes, I got a sequence of this. Now I want to represent, see, this is in regular numerical number format. So just check this column. So go to format. So now there is an option called numbers here. Okay, so now this is actually in a number format. Now I want to change this number format into percentile. Okay, so if I click this percentile, see, all the values have been represented in percentile format. Okay, so simple thing, just you click that entire column, then you go to format. So now once again let us go to the format, and now again go to numbers. Now I want to represent it as a scientific data. So generally scientific data is in terms of like 1 into 2 power 6, like that, 10 powers 2, like that. Okay, now if I click, now this will be displayed. So all the numbers have been converted into scientific format. So depending on the necessity, you need to choose the format. So now here once again go to numbers. Now I want to represent in accounting format. Okay, so like generally dollars, so like this I'm using. So yes, of course you can change this to rupees if you're using some other currency, depending upon the country, so you can change always. So next is like financial purpose. If you use now, so then that will be like, it will be with two decimal points. Generally these financial related things are calculated in percentages, so that is why it will be with certain number of decimals. Of course, how many number of decimal digits you need to consider after decimal, so that is also possible. Now next is like so if you want to say currency rounded, so then directly you won't have 1.00, 2.00, so it will be shown as an integer. Okay, now next other format is like you can express in the form of a date. Okay, you see this 12/31/1899, so default it is took because randomly we took it, so random numbers we took, so that's the reason it has took the default dates. Okay, so the entire column has been converted into, all the 25 entries in that column have been converted into the dates. Okay, now let us change it. So I want to convert into time, so this is taking as reference as, so all the columns have been represented in the form of a time. Now next is, you can see date and time. So in a column you can have both date and time. Okay, so date is also available, time is also available, both the things we are showing. Similarly, then duration, so you can check it is like hours, minutes and seconds, something like this. Okay, so 2400, 4800, so 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, like that, 4 days, so like this. So everything it is converted into duration format. Okay, so time duration also you can convert. Then you can see, you can if you want to change into currency format or other, so for example you see here it is given us different things. So first US dollar, so different you can do it. So for example we are in India, so now let us check it. Indian. Okay, so this is Indian rupee. If I say, then if I apply this, now you see everything will be converted into Indian. Okay, Indian currency. So like this all the options are available here. So how you want to represent your numbers, so you can easily format according to your requirement. If you are a financial, using for a financial purpose, if you are using for account purpose, if you are using for scientific purpose, or if you want to using for a regular purpose, so ultimately, so it is very easy to represent the number, change the number formats using format tab, which is available in the Excel.